Welcome to the Silkwalk studio. So I think today we are on time and we are here to show you a collection of beautiful cotton and silk sarees for Navratri. So if you are there in our live session, please let us know. Please give us your hearts and your likes. We'll continue, we'll start the showcasing of our sarees in a couple of minutes. So we have come today in an odd time, I understand, because we normally do the relay at around 7 p.m. But today we have some other work, and so we wanted to finish it off a little bit early, and that's why we and moreover there were a lot of people asking us for a better comfortable time at 4 p.m. So we thought we'd try for a few weeks at 4 p.m. So just let us know if you are there in our live session today.
Ramya says, how are you, Joanna?
Hi Ramya, I'm fine, how are you? Thank you for joining, Ramya. It's been quite a while, I guess. Facebook viewers, if you are there, please let us know. Last time we couldn't connect on Facebook because we had a technical issue. But I think this time we just sorted it out and we are live on Facebook also.
Betsy says hi.
Hi Betsy.
Nalini says hi.
Hi Nalini.
Crystal says hi.
Hi Da. Hi Crystal.
Santi says hi. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sahana says hi.
Hi Sahana.
Hema says hi.
Hi Hema.
Divya says hi, dear.
Hi Da. Hi. So we have these sarees, okay, whatever we are showing you, we haven't uploaded them on the website, but we will be uploading them by tonight. So probably if you would like to book them a little earlier, then you can message us on a WhatsApp number 7676025364. Just take a screenshot and share the picture with us on WhatsApp and we'll be able to get back to you.
Usha says, hi, Joanna, dear.
Hi,
Surprising this time.
Thank you, Usha.
Archana says hi.
Hi Da.
Ramya says hello.
Hi Ramya. Ramya go to second name. நிறைய Ramya friends இருக்காங்க.
4726.
Abhi says hi.
Hi Abhi. So okay, without any delay, we'll start.
Just hold for a minute.
Yeah.
Komal says hi, ma'am, looking nice.
Hi Komal, thank you.
Yamuna says hi.
Hi Yamuna.
Tia says hi.
Hi Tia.
Shweta says hello, dear, looking gorgeous.
Hi Shweta, thank you.
Shilpa says hi.
Hi Shilpa.
Claudia says beautiful sari.
Claudia. Hi Claudia, thank you, thank you.
Chandana says love the collections in your studio. Never seen so much collections anywhere.
Thank you so much Chandana, thank you. So we are now we are all gearing up for Diwali. We'll be having collection, lot of new collections. So if you like any of these sarees, please don't wait for the next video, but rather book them. Message us on our WhatsApp number. We'll be able to help you out. If you have a particular budget, say I want some sarees in 5,000, or if you want sarees in 6,000, just let us know. We'll send you the link. Okay? We have easily arranged them on our website, so there shouldn't be a problem.
Mamta says hi, ma'am, you're looking so good.
Thank you, Mamta. Okay, so we'll see a few sarees which have newly arrived and we are releasing them as a part of the festival collection. So this saree is priced at 7,900. So we have seen a similar saree in our exclusives. We had done a photo shoot of the same saree and that saree had a red with a blue. This saree has a red with a black pallu. So this is one such saree. It's a fully brocade, fully zari woven, full bridal. Suppose you are looking for a bridal saree in less than 8,000, I think this is the best saree for you. Okay, so it has beautiful floral buttas, no animal, no parrot, no animal bird motifs, just floral. That's the pallu.
Divya says looking nice.
Thank you Divya. That's the blouse. Okay. Price of the saree is 7,900. Okay, same design we have two two other colors. So this is in a light pink. I hope the shade is visible properly. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, it's in a light pink. It has very antique gold and silver zari over the border, over the body. That's the pallu in a grey, and that's the blouse. Very, very unique sari, unique color combination. It's a pink and a grey, a blue-grey color. Next one. We have seen similar sarees in our exclusive set, and now we are seeing them in a very much pocket-friendly range. So this is another purple shade. Okay, so this one is a darker. If you are looking for a darker shade, then I think you should go for this. Comes with a blue pallu, blue blouse. So the first three sarees that you had seen is for 7,900.
Can you repeat the price?
7,900. The first three sarees that you saw was for 7,900. Okay, the next few sarees are priced at 6,450. So the first one, we have a coral red shade. In the color of the
Vero red.
Vero red. Okay, I see a light bit of a coral shade. So it has a beautiful border, blue with small buttas, okay, floral buttas. That's the pallu. And it comes with a very beautiful blouse, which has small zari buttas. So that's the sari. Price of the sari is at 6,450.
Shabita says hello.
Savita.
Shabi.
Shabita. Okay, hi Shabita. So I hope everybody is having their evening tea now. Usually dinner time ko in evening ke vantam. Okay, so this is a very, very beautiful combination. Or a cream shade with a black.
What material is this?
All of these are pure silk sarees. Alright? That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Super sari. Price of the sari is 6,450. Okay, so again this one is also at 6,450. We have a yellow with a pink combo. And the Mambalam yellow with a pink border. Okay, that's the pallu. That's the blouse. Price of the sari is 6,450. The next one. This is a sandalwood shade or a beige color, light beige color with a blue combo.
Can you repeat the price?
6,450. All of these sarees are priced at 6,450. Very, very different combination of sandalwood color and a blue. That's the pallu. And it comes with a blouse like this. 6,450 is the price.
Shabita says wow, yellow, very nice one.
Thank you. If you like any of these sarees, just take a screenshot and message us on our WhatsApp number 7676 025 364. Okay, so we have moved on to a different set of sarees. Price of these sarees are 6,900. All of them you will be finding all of these sarees under the pocket friendly category. A grey with a pink, very, very different color. So this saree has a
Shobha want to know the rate includes delivery charge.
Who wants to know?
Shobha.
Shobha. No, Shobha, the price we charge 120 rupees for shipping. Shipping is extra. Shipping charge is extra 120 rupees. If you are booking 2 sarees, then an additional 50 rupees will be charged. Okay, so this one has, it's a grey saree with a pink border and it has like raindrop motifs, like small lines over the body. I think I'll show you a closer look. Okay, so a picture of the saree will give you a better idea. So that's how the body is. It comes with a pallu like this and a blouse. A plain blouse. If you want, you can do some embroidery work on the blouse. It would look very nice because the saree is very simple and elegant, and that rich look blouse will add on to the saree. The next, it's a pure silk saree. All whatever we have shown you is all pure silk handloom sarees. The next saree, beautiful combo. So it's a very pretty. This part is dual tone. It has a green and a blue shade. Border is black somewhere in the saree. I think the motifs, the line motifs are very much visible in this. Okay, it has this, as I told you, the raindrop motifs, and that's the pallu. That's the blouse. Okay, price of the saree is 6,900.
Peek to my kitchen says, hey, impromptu live.
Hi, Da. Surya, peek to my kitchen. No, Surya. Surya, I hope you got your saree.
Video is not loading, facing some issues.
Yedula, Facebook.
Insta.
Is anybody having a problem with the video relay? உங்களுக்கு எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் தெரியாதா?
No.
லேப்டாப்ல கனெக்ட் ஆகுதுல?
Surya says received the sari just now.
Oh, great. Thank you, Surya.
Can you repeat the price?
Okay, all of these sarees were priced at the previous sarees, 2 sarees were 6,900. Adukku munnadi irundha sarees 6,450. So we have shown in 3 different ranges. And
Surya says I can see the video clearly.
okay, thank you, Surya.
Chandana said no problem.
Okay, thank you guys, thank you.
Devi says hi ma'am.
Whoever had a problem, just close the live and try opening again. Okay, so
Everyone
now
is saying there's no problem.
okay. So we have another pastel pink, beautiful shade, light pastel color correct ah irukku nenikiren, and in the bottle irukku zari theriyadappa?
No, you have to come little closer.
Okay, I'll come little closer to show you the zari work. Okay,
Mm.
I'll post a video,
Pic.
a picture of the sari. So it has like semicircular zari motifs. It's an antique zari. Actually, it blends with the color of the sari. Okay, comes with a full zari work pallu, and the blouse is also a brocade woven zari woven blouse. So it's a full brocade work blouse. Okay, price of the sari is 6,900. Superana or pastel shade. Okay, so now we will. Are you guys there? Available? You can't. Okay. So now we'll quickly see a few casual sarees, like cotton sarees priced at around 1950 and in that range. So the first one. It's sort of an olive green color. Comes with mirror or foil work. I'm always used of that, saying that it is mirror work, but it is actually foil work.
Any
Okay,
other
with
color
tissue
in
borders. Huh?
Any other color in pastel?
I had already shown a few before. If you have missed it, just see the live again. We'll be posting the live. So that's the pallu blouse priced at 1950. All of these are all these fabrics are very similar to what I'm wearing. Next one we have a teal color. Has tissue borders on both sides. That's the border, with mirror work on foil work on one side. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. 1950. The next one.
Patil Gayu says hi.
Hi, Da. Hi, guys.
Kavita says hi.
Hi, Kavita. People, if you have missed the first part of the live, you can, we'll be saving the live video, so you can just go back and check it again. So this is in a mustard color, that's the pallu and blouse. Mustard level, nalla manjal, turmeric color. We have one in black. Nurture. So this has a different design, okay, than the previous. Those had like a pyramid design, and this one has diamond designs.
Is blue sari soft?
The pallu, blouse, the teal one, right? I think she's asking about the teal one. All the sarees are very similar to what I'm wearing. It is soft to drape. Okay, a few ones, very different design. Price of these sarees are 1950. Okay, so these have different designs on the body. Has thread motifs. Okay, thread work over the body, and the border has these beautiful designs. Tissue border. That's the pallu.
When will the
Pallu is
semi-silk sari collection be available?
Blouse. Semi-silk, we just posted one yesterday.
Where to find in website?
You can find them under the semi-silk category on the website.
This is from Vaishu.
Okay, Vaishu?
Vaishu hairstylist.
Okay. Vaishu, you can check them under the semi-silk. I think she already messaged me.
Okay.
So I have told her.
Ankita says hello.
Hi,
Lovely
Ankita.
collection of silk sari.
Thank you.
Manasa says, could you get banana pith saris?
We try getting before Diwali.
Can you repeat the price?
These sarees are priced at 1950. These are in a very different design. This one is in a dark, sort of reddish orange shade. I hope the design is visible here. It has beautiful threadwork designs over the body. That's the pallu and the blouse. 1950 is the price. We just have one more. So this one, same design, brown. Very, very soft cottons. Pallu, blouse. The last few sarees were priced at 1950. Okay. So this is in a different design. Okay, it has red buttas over the body like this. That's the pallu. Blouse. So 1950. So we've come to the end of the show. We've shown you almost all the sarees that we have from our new collection. So if you like any of our sarees, you can message us on our WhatsApp number 7676025364. Give us an hour's time and we'll be uploading them on our website, thesilkworkstudio.com. All the casual sarees, you can find them under the casual category, the ones which we showed you for 1950. The pure silk sarees, you will be able to find them under the pocket friendly category or under the exclusives collection. Okay, the 7,900 ones, those sarees you will find under the exclusives, and 6,450, 6,900 range will be under the pocket friendly category. So any questions?
Is purple available in this? I think the last is.
Purple last Gamila. Oh, all the
Is
sarees.
purple color available?
Oh, purple. No, no, purple is no. Whatever we have shown you only. So, yes, friends, have a very good evening. Probably we'll let you know when is the next live. If you like any of them, message us. Okay?
When will you show Diwali collection?
Diwali collection has already started. We had started some 2-3 weeks back. 2-3 weeks, at least 1 to 2 weeks back. Whatever we are showing is all new collection coming up, and we'll be probably extending for the next month.
Do you have semi-silk sarees?
Semi-silk, yes. Yesterday we posted a video. Please check. You can directly go to the semi-silk category and find the sarees available there. Okay, not all the sarees that we showed in the video are available. Few are available, few have been sold out. But whatever is available on the website is definitely there. You can take. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a very nice evening. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.